हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश ऑफ एजुकेशन। तो स्वागत करते हैं मेरे चैनल में। आज हम सीखने वाले हैं क्वेश्चन और आंसर। जैसे नो और नो हाउ टू पे, ये दोनों पॉइंट पे हम क्वेश्चन और आंसर पूछेंगे, मतलब क्वेश्चन आंसर बच्चों से करवाएंगे। अगर आप सबको इस वीडियो से कुछ सीख मिले तो प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और वीडियो को लाइक करिएगा। नीचे कमेंट करिएगा कि आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी। तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं।
Do you know my sister?
Yeah, I know your sister.
Do you know my brother?
Yeah, I know your brother.
Do you know my teacher?
Yeah, I know your teacher.
Do you know about my mother?
No, I don't know. No, I don't know about your mother.
Do you know my enemy?
No, I don't know your enemy.
Do you know about my friend?
No, I don't know about your friend.
Do you know my mother?
Yeah, I know your mother.
Can you tell me about my mother?
No, I can't tell you about your mother.
Do you know my cousin brother?
No, I don't know your cousin brother.
Do you know my father?
Yeah, I know your father.
Do you know Rahul?
No, I don't know Rahul.
Do you know Kanak?
No, I don't know Kanak.
Do you know about Asu?
Yeah, I know about Asu.
Do you know my teacher?
Yeah, I know your teacher.
Can you tell me about him?
No, I can't tell you. Do you know my mother?
No, I don't know your mother.
Do you know my brother?
Yes, I know your brother.
Do you know about my brother?
Yes, I know about your brother.
Do you know about my sister?
Yeah, I know about your sister.
Do you know my father?
No, I don't know your father.
Do you know my enemy?
No, I don't know your enemy.
Do you know my friend?
No, I don't know your friend.
Do you know my classmate?
Yes, I know your classmate.
Do you know Mansi?
Yeah, I know Mansi.
Who is Mansi?
Mansi is my sister.
Do you know about Mansi?
Yeah, I know about Mansi.
Do you know my teacher?
Yeah, I know your teacher.
Do you know Priya?
Yeah, I know Priya.
Do you know Kajal?
Yeah, I know Kajal.
Do you know my cousin sister?
Yeah, I know your cousin sister.
Do you know my cousin brother?
No, I don't know your cousin brother.
Do you know my grandmother?
No, I don't know your grandmother.
अब आप लोग नो हाउ टू पे क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं ना।
Do you know how to cook food?
No, I don't know how to cook food.
Do you know how to read?
Yeah, I know how to read.
Do you know how to speak English?
Yeah, I know how to speak English.
Do you know how to walk?
Yeah, I know how to walk.
Do you know how to wash clothes?
No, I don't know how to wash clothes.
Do you know how to give alms?
Yeah, I know how to give alms.
Do you know how to bake the chapati?
No, I don't know how to bake the chapati.
Do you know how to play?
Yeah, I know how to play.
Do you know how to create video?
Yeah, I know how to create video.
Do you know how to sing a song?
Yeah, I know how to sing a song.
Do you know how to dance?
Yeah, I know how to dance.
Do you know how to teach?
No, I don't know how to teach.
Do you know how to speak English?
Yeah, I know how to speak English.
Do you know how to speak Hindi?
Yeah, I know how to speak Hindi.
Do you know how to speak?
Yeah, I know how to speak.
Do you know how to write?
Yeah, I know how to write.
Do you know how to read?
Yeah, I know how to read.
Do you know how to learn?
Yeah, I know how to learn.
Do you know how to ride cycle?
Yeah, I know how to ride cycle.
Do you know how to drive car?
No, I don't know how to drive car.
Do you know how to eat food?
Yeah, I know how to eat food.
Do you know how to feed?
Yeah, I know how to feed.
Do you know how to tear?
Yeah, I know how to tear. Do you know how to fall?
Yeah, I know how to fall.
Do you know how to jump?
Yeah, I know how to jump.
Do you know how to call?
Yes, I know how to call.
Do you know how to cook food?
Yeah, I know how to cook food.
Do you know how to come here?
Yeah, I know how to come here.
Do you know how to run?
Yeah, I know how to run.
Do you know how to speak Marathi?
No, I don't know how to speak Marathi.
Do you know how to make tea?
Yeah, I know how to make tea.
Do you know how to go to market?
Yeah, I know how to go to
Do
market.
you know how to buy vegetable?
Yeah, I know how to buy vegetable.
Do you know how to sell clothes?
Yeah, I know how to sell clothes.
Do you know how to weave?
Yeah, I know how to weave.
Do you know how to fly kite?
Yeah, I know how to fly kite.
Do you know how to fill water?
Yeah, I know how to fill water.
Do you know how to throw pen?
Yeah, I know how. Yeah, I know how to throw pen.
Do you know how to break?
Yeah, I know how to break.
Do you know how to pluck flower?
Yeah, I know how to pluck flower.
Do you know how to smile?
Yeah, I know how to smile.
Do you know how to laugh?
Yeah, I know how to laugh.
Do you know how to look?
Yeah, I know how to look.
Do you know how to operate phone?
Yeah, I know how to operate phone.
Do you know how to open door?
Yeah, I know how to open door.
Do you know how to put on jewelry?
Yeah, I know how to put on jewelry.
Do you know how to buy new clothes?
Yeah, I know how to buy new clothes. अंग्रेजी बोलने के लिए
प्लीज हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।